What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be installing another sunroof on one of the, not one of our members, but I found one and I put it up on my Instagram for sale, and I'll install it and everything, and he's going to come through. I'm going to install it for him and show you that process. He has a 95 pickup like mine, hard body, but it's extended cab. So it's my first extended cab that I'm going to be doing, but this time I got the right equipment, the right everything to, you know, have all the lines perfect. Like, I'll show you what I got. I got tape, I have the silicone for like weather protection, solder gun to solder the wires together, and then these blades to do the corners, and then the grinder to do the straight parts. Here's the sunroof. I painted it and coated it to make sure it doesn't get like all sun with, because it was kind of like dry a little, so I like sanded it and then painted it. Here's a motor to this sunroof. Here's a switch. And here's a box that covers this part right here, and it has, that's where the switch goes. And there's a seal part over there. That's for when he cuts the hole for the actual headliner. But yeah, I'm gonna install that today. Have the canopy set up over there. My truck's over there. I'm just waiting for him to get here, and then we can start the process with cutting the hole and doing the same thing as the previous video, but just on the pickup this, on the Nissan pickup this time. Alright, Ezekiel is starting to take off all this old silicone, and I'm going to start taking apart the interior. This is the guy's truck. He's over there checking out my truck, but I'm going to start taking his interior out. That way we could have some good reference about how it looks inside. So yeah, here's interior.
And we're doing my brakes out.
You are. Yeah, right.
I'm serious. For that reason.
You need to replace something, don't you?
Yeah, my brakes.
Alright, get this done. That's the axle. Alright, so we're measuring here. Ezekiel's measuring. That way we can get center point like the other one. Since this one is a extended cab, it has another bar right here, another one there, and we want to measure a perfect amount because my truck didn't have this bar, so we're going to cut into that. That way, right now I'm going to mask off this window so I don't get sparks and melt or whatever, do the glass and leave marks. I'm going to mask everything off. I'm probably going to mask it off from up here to down there, but hopefully the sparks don't burn the plastic. But yeah, we're going to get this done, measured, and I'm going to mask all this off. Alright guys, so it's finally all masked out from the inside. I put like I call them a lona, so they're like painting tarps because my dad's a painter. Wrapped it in their tape. He's putting up the sunroof measurements, and we're gonna trace it, and then once it's traced I'm gonna start cutting it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty kind of like the other video where I just have to measure everything and cut. But yeah, just record.
Is it already recording?
No going back.
Hey, how do you stop this?
What?
How do you stop it?
Alright guys, so I finally cut the hole. I used this jigsaw for the corners. Made it come out cleaner. There's both corners done, all 4 corners done. Now we just have to cut this bar to see how it fits. And test fit the sunroof for the first time on this truck and see how it comes out. But let me get that done, and I'll show you how it looks when we test fit it inside. So the sunroof is installed. Now we just got to do the wiring. Again, the sunroof, like I said, is a little different. I forgot to film putting the seal in again. Pushing it like a sandwich, but the same thing. Just put it in and put all these bolts in. Now I'm gonna wire it down here. Either press it from up here and get some power off that, or just get it from down there. But I can figure that out right now. I'm just gonna run it and see how it works. Okay, so it's kind of already done. The whole seals and everything is sealed up here. I wired it already too. Wiring is done right there. All the wires are here. This is for the dome light, and here's the power wire. It's open. And then to close again, just push it the opposite way. There we go. Pretty much it. Now we just gotta put the trims back on, and then I'll show you guys how it looks at the end. The headliner, I told him he's gonna have to cut the hole because it's another thing you have to add to here. There's a seal for here, and I'll give that to him, and he'll just have to cut the hole in the headliner. But yeah, there we go. Okay, so we got the finished product here. This is the owner. I'll put his Instagram down below. Give him a follow. This is his truck. Pretty sure you're gonna do a lot of things with this, right? You're gonna,
yeah, got a lot more to go.
Yeah.
The Pathfinder front end, find the bag in the rear, eventually do the interior.
Yeah, so here's a...
And paint it, of course.
Yeah, me too, I got it. So here's a sunroof. He's an extra cab, so that's why it doesn't come out like mine, but I think it looks good. I like how it looks on the extra cab. And the interior is like all OEM. Put everything back, and then he just needs to do the headliner, and it should be set. Here's a switch. But yeah, that's it for today. That's a little project that we got done. But yeah, if you guys like this video, let me know what you guys think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.